Hello everybody, I'm back with another video, and today I will be oh god, I will be doing giveaways at let's say 9 o'clock EST. Wait, EST, I think that's what it's called. Yeah, something like that. Um, so I'll be doing this giveaway of this big bag. I'll show you guys what's in the bags. I will just dupe them after. Maybe a little laggy. Hold up. Let me finish doing first person. Alright, there. My camera is gone. Come back. Oh, freak. Okay. Oh, God, it is. You guys can see. Oh, freak. Okay. I will be giving away all this. There's more stuff somewhere. Oh my God, I fell. I can't see. I can't see. Okay. So basically, all this stuff. There's pumpkins, snails, whole items. Mom boxes, got some snails, some unreleased items, I don't know where, but somewhere. Yeah, the whole items over there. Wait, nope. Yeah, over there. That is not first person. Oh, yes it is, never mind, what am I talking about? Wait, yeah, there's a, oh my God. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of that stuff. I'll do, oh God, hold up, let me just fix this. Put my hand. I'll also be doing these rods. Yeah, I have more of them. I'll just do more. Let me just move this. Hold up. It's in my way. As you can see, hold on, let me just get first person. We'll be doing these rods, which right here. Oh my God, it won't stay. Why is it not working? That's weird. Why is it like that? Okay, it's in that hand. I'll be. I'm gonna get this at some point. This ginormous bag. It had stuff when I took it out, but those. These are just other bags. Where did my camera go? Okay, there it is. I don't really need it, but okay, go back to my stash. Take out these. Don't even know what these are. Yo, a whole bunch of pumpkins. Kind of smaller than the other ones. I got mini pumpkins, Pokemon cards, basically everything. For once, I did not know I had that. Hold up. What's in here? Oh, that's my boom boxes and other stuff. I forgot what else is in there. Some galaxy axes and stuff like that. Okay, well, for some reason, lagging a little bit. I swear, yeah, some more pumpkins. I have lots of pumpkins in there. Oh God. Yeah, now, that's what I'm gonna be doing for the giveaway. God, it's so laggy. Hold up, let me just... And it will be my fan code. Let me just make sure you guys know. tttcook. I swear, there's my mini pumpkin. That was the worst decision I've ever made. Oh yeah, my thingy. I'm just gonna join a different code right now because I'm very laggy. Yeah, I'm too laggy to be in there, so very clear now. But yeah, as I said, 9 p.m. EST time. And join fan code. If you're there, you'll get a whole bunch of Galaxy stuff. So I'll see you then, and goodbye.